Hello guys, today I want to present you my stylized 2D animation using Blender 3D. To create an animation we need one plane, one 3D cursor, 3 keyframes, simple modifiers and 2 minutes of your free time. Let's do it! Delete all objects, add the plane, go in edit mode. Move 3D cursor to the edge using Shift+S, cursor to selected. Go back in object mode, click right button. Choose set origin to 3D cursor. Yeah, first step is done. Then we create the material. Add emission shader, add checkered texture. Add texture coordinate, connect UV and vector. Add color ramp to control UV coordinates. Change the color to black in checkered texture and color for emission. Turn on the bloom. Add mask shader, change type operation from add to multiply, increase the value. Boom! Shader working. 70% of work is done. Choose the mirror modifier, use X and Y axis. Add wireframe modifier, change standard value. Go in render view, change color for the world to black. Wow, 90% is ready. Let's add keyframes. Move the cursor to position of color ramp node. Press I. The color changed to yellow. Go to the 120th frame. Change position for black marker. Press I. Repeat this action for the last frame. Animation is done. This is the end of the lesson, but if you want to change object style, add subdivision surface modifier and another modifiers like screw. Change the position of 3D cursor and add our swap modifiers. Bam! Everything is done. Thank you for watching.
Hey dude, listen, wait 1 minute. Bam, 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 bam.